Welcome to your CASABREWS MARENZA. This is an all-in-one espresso machine, grinder, brewer, and steam one built into a single capable system. Everything you need to pull a proper shot is already here. The Marenza is built around a 20-bar pump for consistent professional-grade pressure. A conical burr grinder with 30 adjustable settings sits at the top, so your coffee goes from whole bean to espresso without ever leaving the machine. The 58mm portafilter gives you full extraction control. A real-time pressure display lets you see exactly what's happening with every shot. And the internal water path is PFAS-free, so what reaches your cup is only what should be there. And when it comes to what's in your cup, the Marenza covers 6 drinks from a single dial. Ristretto, espresso single, espresso double, lungo, americano, and cold brew. All accessible, all programmable to your preferred volume. Most home espresso setups require multiple pieces of equipment to reach this level. The Marenza does it in one. In this tutorial, we'll walk through every feature: setup, grinding, brewing, milk frothing, and maintenance, so you can start using the machine with confidence and get the most out of what it can do. Let's begin.